Hello, tiny kids, welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's learn about birds. Ostriches. Ostriches are the largest birds in the world and are flightless. However, they are excellent runners and can reach speeds of up to 45 miles per hour, 72 km/h. Kiwis. Kiwis are small, flightless birds native to New Zealand. They are also unique because they lay the largest eggs in relation to their body size of any bird species. Woodpeckers. Woodpeckers have specially adapted skulls and strong neck muscles that allow them to peck on trees to find insects and create nesting holes. Parrots. Parrots are excellent mimics and can imitate human speech and various sounds. They are also very social birds and enjoy interacting with their owners. Kingfishers. Kingfishers are skilled fishermen. They dive from perches to catch fish in their sharp, pointed beaks. Remember, there are thousands of bird species around the world, each with its own unique characteristics and behaviors. Exploring the diversity of birds can be a fascinating and enjoyable learning experience. Thank you.